Today we want to share how to add links to your WhatsApp using BeeFree email editor. BeeFree is a tool you can use to create HTML campaigns, HTML emails for your campaigns. I mean, BeeFree is an amazing tool you can use to create, pixel perfect emails for your campaigns, to send to a client, to your mailing list, to your friends, anything. It's really fantastic. I mean, BeeFree is really an amazing tool. You can just go ahead and start using. It's really free. I mean, BeeFree, yeah, really delivers what they promise. You have a lot of templates here you can start with. I mean, you can go ahead and start using one of these amazing templates. You don't need to start from scratch. Is crazy stuff. You can just go here. You don't need to call a designer. You don't need to call a freelance to do your HTML email. You can just come here, choose one of the designs. I mean, you can go to by industry. I don't know, let's say, well, what's coming soon? Let's say Halloween. So probably you have something that, well, let's search here, Halloween. And let's see what they have. Okay, you have you have plenty of tools. You can choose one, one that is going to help you, sell your merchandise, sell your products, sell, you name it. So this is a really fantastic tool. So now let's think about how to sell to your customers. No, you're going to send an email, and that's great. But now you need to capture that user fast, and you want to sell them fast. So what you're going to do, you're going to add a link to WhatsApp. Why? Because it's the best way to start a conversation, to close the sale, to send payments, because via email everything is kind of bulky, slow, people don't look at it that much. So you need to send the email and then move to WhatsApp. You need to close the sales. I mean, you need to be, there is always the ABC, always be closing. So you need to focus on closing. You need to focus on getting the client, pay you. So here you can, with the editor, let's go to the editor. Let me see how we can go here. Yes, here. Okay, so, well, you choose, you design, you go to the editor. The editor is fantastic, works on the computer. You have the tools here. The tools are, text, image, button, HTML, social. I mean, you have a lot of tools to start with. So you can, you can change the text, of course. You can, instead of this content, let's see if I can do it. No, here we go. I can type, yes. Okay, yeah, I can type here like now buy our dinner special, or whatever is your offer. And here you can add a button. The button comes from here. You go to buttons and you can drag and drop. You can take the button and you can put it here or anywhere. I just put one here. You can add another here. I mean, this is more up to you. You can choose where you want to make the call to action. But the button is here, so now we can type something like get your special offer now in WhatsApp. Because what you want is you want to tell the user, go to WhatsApp and let's close this sale. No, you need to buy this, you want to buy this, so now go to WhatsApp. So this is the call to action. Now we can go here and we can choose green color. The text is going to be white. We can make this a bit more, round. Yes. Let's see if we can the padding is good, border is good. I mean, you can add a border if you want. No, let's see how this looks. Yes, this is transparent. My computer is a bit slow, but I don't know why. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so that's good. Maybe the button stands out a bit more. This is completely up to you. Okay, this is something you can do. So now, how we make the link to WhatsApp? We have the button. We want the user to click here and jump to WhatsApp. So what we do, we go to chat with and we create our link to WhatsApp. I have here this account. I'm going to log out. I can create a new link. I can type here my number and something like, hey, I mean, this is a message that the user is going to send you. So you need to think about the user. So like, hi, I saw your newsletter. I want more information. This is also, this is information for you. I mean, you're going to know this user is coming from this campaign. Or you can say something like, hey, I want the 10% discount. Anything that tells you who is this user. I mean, this guy is contact me. I don't know this guy. I want to know the source. I want to know where he's coming from. In this case, the campaign is 10% discount. I mean, can be anything. You create your link. The link is here. We copy. That's good. And we go back to the template. Here. I'm going to close this one. And here in the URL, we just paste the URL we copy. That's it. I mean, this is done. I don't know if I need to save this. I mean, this is also very good. For example, hide on. You can hide this button on desktop. What that means, the user who is browsing or who is checking email on the desktop is not going to see this button. And maybe it's a good option. Maybe you prefer not to have the WhatsApp button on desktop because it's a bit more, for the user, it's a bit more complicated. So maybe you prefer to leave it only on mobile. We're going to leave this on both for now, but this is something that I think is a good option. So we have this done. There is no save button. I think is good. Well, you have more rows, settings. I mean, you have plenty of things here to configure your newsletter. And at the end, you can export. What you are going to export? You can download everything. You can save your HTML. You can send to Gmail, etc. Or you can do a PDF. Those are premium, but this one is free. So we are going to download this one. I mean, what you download? You download everything. HTML, code, images, everything. So you have everything in your computer for you to work. Let's go to the download. Let's see what we have there. And we can do a test. Okay, it's here. So this is we have a folder with the HTML and then we have all the images. So I think this is good. Let's see how this looks like. So now we can go here, we can put it in the browser. Okay, looks fantastic. We have everything here. I mean, this is an amazing tool. I mean, BeeFree is really amazing for you guys to, I mean, if you need to create a landing page like this one, I mean, it's quite fantastic. If you need hosting, send us a message and we will help you with that. So send us a WhatsApp. I'm going to click here, and what happens? We go to WhatsApp. That's the beauty of WhatsApp links. Why you need it? The same. You want to close sales. You want to close clients. You want to get money from your customers. To do that, the best way, send them to WhatsApp. So go to BeeFree, create your amazing landing page, your template, your HTML. If you need help with hosting, send us a WhatsApp. We will help. We will be happy to help you. We will publish your website, and now you have your link to WhatsApp working with an amazing design, with an amazing template that is going to look beautiful. Is going to make your customers, happy. They are going to see you are a professional company. You are, a great company delivering these amazing products, anything, and it's going to make everything work. You add the link to WhatsApp and you have everything ready to sell. So now, especially now, you need to create this content. You need to create your landing page. You need to start selling online. COVID is here. COVID is going to make everything harder for everyone. So you need to start working online. So go to BeeFree, it's free. Create your landing page. Go to chat with, create your link to WhatsApp, it's free. And now you have everything together. So this is a fantastic tool. Start using it, send your feedback, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you.